Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the decimal number convert in the octal number in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and now that is open Alt F5 menu taking file, and here our code write a program to convert, or you can say that to find decimal yes number to octal number. So that is a conversion. So we can, like in my two video lecture, we can decimal number to binary and binary number to decimal. So in this session we can learn the decimal number to the octal number. So that is my technique. First, what is a input, and what is a process, and then what is a output. So here we can enter one decimal number and output is octal, but what is a process? That is a logic. So first we can understand both number system. So decimal number means 0 to 9, that is base of 10, and octal, that is 0 to 7, so that is base of 8. So like we can decimal to binary, so we can divide by 2. So decimal to hexadecimal, so we can divide the 16. So here we can divide by 8. So that is a we can apply. And now first I give one example, so and that is a paperwork. So here we can consider like 1 to 5. That is our, we can say, the decimal number to convert as a octal number 8. Yes, so base of 8 and decimal is a 10, that base. So now I can step by step explain to you. So first we can convert 125 and that divide by 8. So we can get as a 15. Yes, that is a, we can say that quotient. Yes, and reminder. Yes, so reminder. Yes, we can say that that is a reminder. We can get 5. Yes, so now next step we can divide. Yes, this you have to know very well. So divide by 8 again. So that is our step number 2. Yes, so divide by that, we can say that 5. Yes, 15. Yes, so 15 divide by 8. So that is, again we can say that quotient we can get that is only 1. Yes, so that is a quotient we can get 1, and reminder we can get, yes, so reminder is, we can say that that is a 7. Yes, so again that same process, divide by 8 again. So which, so 1. Yes, first we can 15. Now third step I can take, and 1. Yes, divide by 8. So that is, we can say that 0 is our uh, quotient. So that is a perfectly. So now that is a 0. So yes, and then we can say that a reminder. Yes, so that is a, and yes, I again use same reminder we can get. Yes, that is a 1. Yes, so there is a, now since the quotient 0, now yes, you can watch that quotient is 0. So now no more division is done. So by taking the remainder in the reverse order, and we can get equivalent to the octal number. Yes, that is, process is finished. So only 3 steps. So first we can uh, divide and then modulo. So we can get remainder and divide by again 8. So we can quotient divide by 8. So 15 divide by 8. So 8 to the, we can say 16. So 1 is quotient and 7 is remainder. And again divide by 8 again. So 1 divided by 8, so 0 and 0. So there is no more division is take place, and that we can reverse order. Yes, that is very important. So like 175, that is a reverse order, and that is our equivalent to the octal number. So decimal number converting the octal number, that is a process, so that is a paperwork. So now, yes, I give multi-comment line and we can apply to that our logic in C language. So first I include our header file, so stdio.h, and then we can say that conio console input output.h, and then we can say that void main, yes, and now we can declare that integer variable. So dn decimal number, and we can say that reminder 10, that is 1D array, and then we can take one I, that is initialize 0. And let us I clear the screen. So first step we can input, yes, so enter, yes, that one decimal number. Yes, so you can enter one decimal number. Then scanf function. Yes, so that percentage d and ampersand dn decimal number. So I can take, you can also take n that number, but decimal number, so dn short form. And that you have to know, like Armstrong number, prime number, binary to decimal, decimal to binary. So that time we can take as a while loop. So number programming, that is a best shoot as a while loop. So dn is greater than 0, and then we can apply to our logic. So we can say that yes, first we can store in our array 1D. So dn module operator and 8. Yes, here octal. So we can 8, and then we can say that dn that is divide equal to 8. Yes, and then we can I is a plus plus. So that is a perfectly we can say that 3 statement, and now we can print. So very easy. So we can say that the octal, yes, octal number is, yes, and then we can take one for loop. Yes, so I, yes, I minus 1. So why 1? So because that 1 is a we can already that last time is plus plus, but our index is start 0, that is a main point. So I is greater than equal to 0 and I minus minus. So we can print. Yes, so let us check. I percentage d, and then we can print our, that is a array rem, that is reminder of I. Yes, and first I take one blank page. So let us check, and now get ch, so that is complete. So I save this file, F2 I press, and give the decimal underscore octal oct, yes, dot c. So that perfectly, and now I can compile. Yes, there is no any error. So look, that is perfectly, and now I can run, and that is our paperwork. I give the 125. So that is 175. Yes, that's perfect. We can solve already. So one blank page I provide. If I remove this blank page, and now I can short logic. So here in while loop there are 3 statements. So how we can convert in 2 statements? So yes, I remove this I plus plus, and where we can give in the subscript, I give here plus plus. So that first is that priority is a equal operator, and then increment is postfix. So then after plus plus, so I initially 0, and first that reminder store, and then I is a plus plus. So yes, that is our requirement. So only 2 statement. Yes, I let us check. So we can give like 52. So yes, 64, that is equivalent to the binary decimal to octal number. Yes, and now I take as a watch window, so you can understand better what we can apply. So here that watch window, and then again I take output window, and let us check. I uh, apply set to watch. Yes, here I set. So dn decimal number, then reminder of I, and then separate. Yes, we can take as a I variable. So only 3 variable we have to take, and you have to know alter R, that is our trace input. So I press F7 key. Yes, and that our declare I initialize 0, and now dn is scan. So I give like our paperwork. So 125. Yes, that same Previously we have already checked. So while loop is true, BDN is greater than 0. Yes, that is a 125. So yes, here I 0 and modulo of I means 8. So that is a taking the remainder is a 5 that store and then divide. So yes, dn equal to, yes, you, that is a compound assignment short technique. So that is full form dn equal to divide by 8. So I think you have to know very well. So that is a short technique, compound assignment operator. So yes, that is a 15. Yes, you can look here that our answer. So after division, yes, new number and that greater than 0. Yes. So again that modulo. So that is a giving to 7. That store in remainder of I. That I is 1. So store and then plus plus. Then you can look in how I is a 2 now, and again divide 15 divided by 8. So that is a 1 only, and that remainder store that 7. So yes, greater than 0. So that modulo, that is a 1 store in that array, and now 0. So while loop is false, and now you can look here I is 3. So we can I minus 1. Yes, first our message is print. You can look in output window, and I equal to I minus 1. So I is 2. So that is a print. Yes, that 2 index, that is our in reverse order. So first we can print 2, that is our 1. Last that remainder is 4 is a 1. So 1, 7 and 5. So we can say that in reverse order, that is a first, that is a we can say that first 5, 7 and 1, and we can print in 1, 7 and 5 in reverse order. So I can take as a in reverse that for loop. So yes, that is print. Yes, you can look in the uh, that here 1 is print and I minus minus. So now 7 is print, and now again I minus. So I is 1. So last time I minus, so I is minus 1. So that is minus 1, and our for loop is false. Yes, and our number is also print perfectly. So that is a perfectly. So now I can close this watch window, and that is our, yes, I think you have to understand. So I take as a paperwork. So here I step by step explain. So you have to easily, and we can apply same that our in logic. So while loop only two statement we have to take, and then for loop we can print in the reverse. That is our 1D array in reverse order reminder. So REM is a reminder of our 1D array. So one dimensional array. So yes, any question regarding this definition, you can write in comment section, and write this program also in C notebook if you prepare. And now I can close this file, Alt F3, watch an output window and quit. So subscribe my channel, Ashok C. Jalai, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.